Hey, sixth graders, Mr. Newman here. If you're watching this video, that means you are ready to start step number 3, start your World War II one-pager. So below this, I've included this slideshow that I'm going to go over. So if you need to review anything, please feel free to look through this to help you as you work. So I'm going to go through this slideshow. So the first thing is, am I ready to move on? So our steps in this process, the first thing we did is we looked at the reading guide from the text. This should be turned in, and there's an assignment called Chapter 16, World War II Reading Guide. When you were finished with the reading guide, you were to work on the choice topics. So there were 5 different topics that you could have chose from, and then you were to fill out this little guide as you were taking notes and learning. This is also something that you need to turn in, and that is called Chapter 16, World War II Choice Activity. If you have both of those turned in, that means you are ready to move on. So what you're going to do next is you are going to create a one-pager about one of your topics that you chose to learn about. So you have 5 of these filled in. You're going to pick one of the topics to create a one-pager to show your learning about that topic. Some of this information you will include in your one-pager, your final one-pager. Some of it you may not, so it's kind of going to be up to you. As far as what should I include in my one-pager, it's the who, what, when, where, why. Okay, so who. You need to include some sort of historical figure or group from the topic that you chose. What would be the name of your topic? That would be what you have right here, the name of your World War II topic. A when would be some sort of date that you found within your research as you learned about your topic. A where would be a location. Where is this taking place? Is it taking place in Europe? Is it taking place in the Pacific? Is it taking place in the United States? Where is it taking place? Find a location, include that within your one-pager. The why is the significance or importance of this event or this topic. So why is your topic significant? Why is it something that is important with the overall picture of World War II? And then the final thing, includes some sort of interesting facts. These could be numbers and stats. It could be quotes that you came across. It could be surprises from your findings. If you wanted to include your trivia question in there too, that would be something you could include here as well. But that is what you're going to get started working on today. You can use a scratch piece of paper to start planning out your one-pager, or if you have more paper on your own that you want to kind of look at, you can do that as well. So we're going to work on this over the next couple of days as we close up our World War II chapter. Please email me if you have any questions or stop in during my time. Thank you.